Hello guys, in this video we are gonna see how to use Alert Dialog in Jetpack Compose. So let's start. First of all, we need a variable that will hold isOpenState. It can be true or false. When it's true, dialog is visible, and when it's false, dialog is invisible, not shown, dismissed, or anything of it. So let's start. Var is open. Initial state is false. It's hidden. Now let's create dialog on dismiss. When dialog is dismissed, is open is equal false. Now let's define other parameters. Now, for example, title text, title of dialog. For example, now text. Okay, now let's define buttons. Dismiss button, for example, text button. Again, is open false. And text dismiss and confirm button is text button. Again, we will close the dialog. So is open is false, of course, and text is that's it for this part. And in order to see dialog, we will use color background color white. Okay, and now we need to initiate dialog to be shown. So let's do it now. Okay, box modify field max size and Fanta, and let's trigger dialog with simple button is open finally to be true, and text, for example, show dialog. Oh, we didn't define text on click. Okay, something should happen when we dismiss dialog. So let's toast, make toast. We need context. Well, context, local context current, and context dismiss those show. Okay, and do same for confirmation. Now I hope that we are ready. Oh, also we forget to use is open. Okay. Okay. If is open, but I guess we can use it even like this. Okay. Now let's try. Show dismissed, as you can see, confirmed, okay. So if we add this toast message here, now when we click outside of dialog, nothing happens. Now we have a toast message here also. So yeah, it's working. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and if I know the answer, I tell you. Also, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos like this. Bye bye.